Hello, my loves. I am Sumaya Wisdom Yates, and most people call me Wisdom. I just wanted to stop by and tell you a quick bit of information about something that is coming down the pipe on my birthday. My birthday is August 13th. I will have completed 55 revolutions around the sun on August 13th, and I am celebrating. And I hope that you will join me in the celebration. But first, let me extend the red thread of connection to you. If you don't know what the red thread of connection is, I'll start by telling you a bit of history. There is an ancient Chinese proverb that says that you are connected at birth by an invisible red thread to all those that you are destined to meet in your life. The thread will stretch, it will twist, it will tangle, but it will never break. And that is the connection that I extend to you, along with the red thread vow of connection, which says that I am connected to you as you are connected to me. I am called to the circle as you are called to the circle. I am responsible for my own unique piece of the red thread as you are responsible for your own unique piece. I witness you as you witness me, and may love be at the center of all of our choices. Ashe. So a little bit about me. I am a 2013 Color of Woman graduate, which means that I am a certified intentional creativity teacher and coach. Intentional creativity simply means to create with intention. It is a methodology that was designed by Shiloh Sophia McLeod, and she shares it with all who are called to learn. But in actuality, as she will tell you, we've been doing intentional creativity all of our lives. The difference here is that we are focusing in on the intention part of the creativity. We are keeping that in our mind's eye and in focus as we create. And in doing so, it creates a synergy for a powerful, powerful healing of yourself. It is a great tool for your medicine basket. Not only am I a certified intentional creativity teacher and coach, I am also a survivor of domestic violence. Not only that, I am a survivor of many, many things that have transpired over the last 55 years. The things that have happened to me in my life could have crushed me if I had allowed it to. It could have left me sitting stuck still and just pondering, why are all these things happening to me? I could be curled up on my bed crying about the things that have just recently transpired in my life in the last 2 years. But I refuse to let life live me. I am going to live life. And one of the ways that I ensure that I am able to live life is through articulated life journal. That is a method that I created where we take intentional creativity and apply it in a very specific way in our art journals. There are 7 layers of articulated life journaling, and this is not the place for me to go in depth about it, but I am inviting you to join me in it. I am inviting you to learn to bloom where you are. I am inviting you to live life and no longer be a spectator. I am inviting you to love the skin you're in. That is not about race. It's about body. Full embodiment of yourself. Love the skin you're in. I am inviting you to know that inner beauty rules. Articulated Life Journal is a sacred creative practice. It's sacred self-care. It is living your life in a positive light all of the time through journal, through creating beautiful page spreads in your art journal. And this is one of my older ones from back when I first started art journaling. But this is what we do. We process those things that are transpiring in our life, good or bad, and we become the authors of our own story. We write our own life story. We write it the way that we want it written, and we live our life our way instead of letting life live us, instead of watching life pass us by. We also learn an important message in blooming where we are. A flower does not think of competing with the flower next to it. It just blooms. We just bloom right where we are in spite of all of our circumstances, good, bad, ugly, indifferent, it doesn't matter. We just bloom. And I'm inviting you to Articulated Life Journal with me through the next year. It's my birthday present to myself, meaning I'm giving me to me for my birthday. And I invite you to give you to yourself by spending some time in sacred self-care and sacred creative practice. There's more information about Articulated Life Journal on my website. This is just a quick and dirty email to get you to notice that there is something else coming down the pipe. And I hope that once you have read the detailed information on the website about Articulated Life Journaling, that you will join me. I'm going to have a blast. I already picked out a journal for my 55th year. I can't wait until August 13th so that I can get into this juicy, juicy journal. It's a beautiful journal. I love the decollete aged pages. I love that they have aged the paper and distressed it. This is going to be a beauty filled with all of the juiciness of my life, and it is going to be where I author my life in the next year from August 13th, 2021 until August 12th, 2022. And I hope that you will join me. Before you leave, a quick poem that I have written for the Articulated Life Journal journey called Transcendence. Tempered by her wild twin, she ran into the darkness, the abyss of the unknown self. Neither feeling afraid nor alone, she embraced the shadow, using the darkness as a catalyst for transformation. Emboldened by the knowing that she is the author of her own life. Now aware that she was entering dangerous territory, she laid herself upon the altar of her life, nurtured, circled, emerging empowered. The Articulated Life Journal will help you to emerge empowered. And I hope that you decide to join me. Love you all. See you on the 13th for Articulated Life Journal.